Karen Nyamu nĩarekereirie ndeto ingĩ cia kũmakania. Karen Nyamu akiuga ati since nĩakoretwo among the people who have been fighting for justice for Jeff since day one. Ever since gĩkuũ kĩa Jeff Mwathi, Karen Nyamu nĩakoretwo mũhari wa mbere kana among the people who had been fighting even behind the scenes gũtigĩrĩra kĩhoto kĩa Jeff nĩkĩonekana, na ũthuthuria wa gĩkuũ kĩa Jeff nĩwekĩka in the most effective way, and also anyone who played part in the death of Jeff nĩakorwo agĩikio ngono and also facing the law ũrĩa kwagĩrĩire. Karen Nyamu akiuga ndegũkira, she will fight and uncover everyone who tried to suppress justice ya Jeff na gutigirira ati othe ni makorwo magiface law. Na oho agakiuga ati wa mbere no nginya atigirire ati Kasarani police station ni yakorwo igithuthurio wega, na Karen Nyamu araikorwo akiuga ati it was highly involved in trying to cover up what happened to Jeff Mwathi. Maraikorwo magisuppress kihoto kia Jeff Mwathi na kugiririria investigation ikorwo ikihanika right away, but thanks to DCI niraikorwo ikianjia a fresh investigation na now there is hope. No Karen Nyamu agakiuga ndekurekia Kasarani police station, agikiuga nionete na maitho make how they had been handling the case, na Karen Nyamu araikorwo akigira nenda-ini ciake cia ukinyaniria na kurekereria ndomereri ino bravely, akiuga after the culprits, the murderers of Jeff Mwathi have taken play, the spotlight must shift to Kasarani police station. Karen Nyamu akiuga ati once Jeff ona kihoto giake na the people behind his death have been charged accordingly, Karen Nyamu agakiuga riu the spotlight will now shift to Kasarani police station, na arakorwo nginya akiariria Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua agikimwira ni arehoya muno ati akorwo akirora uhoro uyu wigie Kasarani police station na akorwo agiteithura a Kenya, tondu Karen Nyamu agikiuga Kasarani police station needs to be highly investigated, na Karen agakiuga na kuhoya Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua akorwo akinyitanira na guteithiriria a Kenya in bringing Kasarani police station and also streamlining it nigetha ikorwo ikiruta wira wayo uria kwagirire. Na Karen Nyamu agikiuga no nginya atigirire kihoto kia Jeff nikionekana, na everyone who played part in trying to suppress and delay justice for Jeff no nginya Karen atigirire ati othe ni makorwo magiface the law, including Kasarani police station. Na ndugakiriganirwo subscribe for the latest and trending Kikuyu celebrity news. Never miss an update. Subscribe now.